Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows.